Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will show you the tips that for you who are just like me, not a coder, not a developer. This is very cool tips for you to try on your anti-gravity vibe coding. So the tips is only to make the documentation of your current chat after you finish your develop something. For instance, I will use my latest document, latest chat. For instance, this one. Okay, and then here the best practice is on this on your project folder. You should add new folder and then add dot agents. I don't know, make with s or no s. It's supposed to be no different, but I put it with no s, and then make sure it's on the root. Wait, how? It's supposed to be easy to move it. Oh, oh, like this. No. Up. Wait. It's supposed to be on the root. Okay, never mind. I will open on my Explorer and then just cut it and then go to the root of my project. That's it. The dot agent already there. So here my dot agent. So let's say I finish. Where's my dot agent? Where it's supposed to be here. Okay, at the first. Let's say I already finished developing and making some chat here. There are many chats here. You just ask the AI to make the documentation like this. Actually, I've done this, but I will show you how to prompt it correctly. So you just copy on here and then copy the path. Okay, please please recap this conversation into the MB file. Write it on, press Ctrl V, which is the path dot agent. Make sure as detailed as possible and make and the file name must be like this. For me, I would prefer put date and then dash and then the version. For me, it's developed on 2026, April 19, and then the V1, and then the V2 and V3, V4, and so on. Or you can add like V1 dash chat feature or anything. For instance, I will put it 2026, April 29, V1. This is camera angle feature, camera angle the documentation.mb. So try to avoid using space. Using space on your characters for writing the name, because it's not best practice to write the name. Actually, it could happen. It could happen, but not best practice in this vibe coding. So just hit enter, and then later the AI will create inside my dot agent the documentation of this particular conversation. Make sure every time your conversation or develop something and finish, make sure you make this documentation, and then you could start a new chat to develop another else. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you visit, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.